So we're back out here in York County, but while we were out here, we did find some issues with the ridge. So the aluminum ridge is actually coming loose on multiple sections. It's face nailed, so a lot of times what happens is the nails get rusty and then they just pop loose. This is the old ridge that we're gonna be replacing today. So we're gonna be replacing this ridge and then the ridge on both formers. So we're pretty much gonna tear everything off, start installing the new stuff. Start running the Cobra.